Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a
Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing today? All right, this is about 12:30 a.m. in night now, Monday morning. I've not slept already. I haven't slept already. I'll be going to bed now. I have to wake up by 4 to 5 so that I can prepare for work. All right. So the update here now is that I got a job, guys. I got a job, and this job is gonna be like a great shift in my forex trading career because there's gonna be enough cash flow now to have something to invest in forex monthly. So I'm gonna be updating you guys. So the reason I'm awake presently is because I'm trying to understand the direction of the market for the week. If that's settled, then trading during the week is gonna be easy for me. So when I wake up in the morning after taking my bath, I'm going to show you guys what I think about the market. Then I'm going to go about my day. So while I'm at work, I can also share some, also record some clips just to update you guys. Alright, stay tuned, guys. So I'm going to be recording the whole journey this week, my opportunities this week. Make sure you watch today. Alright, good morning, guys. This is Monday morning. I just woke up. This is about 6:10 a.m. 6. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'll be doing today on the chat. So please stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys my plan for today. If I'm going to take any trades today, I'm going to record it. But I'm leaving now. So I'm going to be wearing this suit. Let me show you how it looks on me. So guys, I don't know if you have seen it clearly now. But let me see if there's a way I can help. Alright, so this is it. Probably when I make a video during the day, you will see it more.
let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back.
Now I'm in my friend's office, waiting for our secretary to open the door while I was doing a design. And this is how the design comes out. Our weekly design posted already on our page. Alright, so this is the office. This is how the office looks. Now in our office, and I actually saw a trade, but it didn't get in my entry. And this is one of my tasks for the week.
Can you just ask me where my hat is, Fredo? Yeah?
Hey, Farah, you will close it tomorrow.
Oh, no. Oh, Farah.
Yeah, I cannot follow you without closing deal.
Yes, now.
I follow you must close it.
That's why we need to cover tonight. We'll take you to the hotel.
Okay.
So when I was done encouraging her that she's going to close a deal, I started packing my bags to go home.
Let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
So today is Tuesday and I'm just leaving my house now. I'm going to work. Not because I have to go early, like very early. I resume by 9 o'clock, but I just like to leave the house early in case there's going to be hold up and there's going to be any delay. So when I get to work, I will settle down, do some other things I need to do, and when it's 9, I just start working. So I'm going to be updating you guys on my trades today. I did some analysis before leaving the house. If I'm going to be taking any trade today, I'm going to let you know. Yesterday there was no trade. I didn't get any trade yesterday, which was Monday. So anyhow, I'll update you guys. So.
I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the
So at this point, we're already done with our task at the office. We're just enjoying ourselves and this thing and just laughing out on things that we've learned over the weeks. So just
writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal it on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone
I'm going to work late
let the
today.
silence explain. I don't need much just to
I got the
chase things that will run from me. Paint a verse in the do a dance with a soft dope free. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no inches in the feed, just...
So my Wednesday was all about video editing, guys. I recorded videos with my colleague and we edited it all together. In fact, we were in the office till we spent extra 1 hour at the office. I was able to look at the market, but I couldn't get any entry. So it was just all about video editing, and my teammate actually waited for me to finish so that we can post it before leaving the office. So we stayed in the office till 6.
Happy Thursday. I'm going to work already. So this is Abuja. This is Abuja. And I know that some of you would have been saying that boys I used to make video along the road. Let me just make it again. Every time I have the chance, I make videos. Please leave me. Let me do my videos. Alright, see you guys later when I go to the office.
Any opportunity I see now, I use it to work. I was in the bus and it was an opportunity to work, so I was just doing some designs. I wanted to deliver it before getting to office so that I can focus on office work. So this is me in the long bus, making videos at the same time, doing designs. And the next thing was the task of the day already. When our boss's car was driving us to a site where we'll be shooting content. So this is on our way to Katampe. This is around Gishiri Bridge. Do you know the bridge that separates Katampe and Maitama?
Phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that will run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three.
Today has been a very, 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 very stressful day. This Thursday, I'm drained to the bone. Right now, I'm in Kasana, around Kubwa. I've been to several places today. I've been to Jabi, Katampe, but several places today. I'm tired. I won't even lie. Tired.
Then here I was just ranting and complaining about my trades. I couldn't monitor it. The first trade was a profit in the morning. Then the second one, I took it before leaving the office. That's my P&L for the week. I took it before leaving the office, but I reduced my stop loss. Then the thing hit my stop loss and went to my take profit. So that's it, guys. Thank you.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay.